time, and then you press the time. There we go. See? Now it's ready. And it's way behind. Uh-oh, don't look at my sweet photos. Those are some sweet photos. All right. All right. We are live and doing some research into why two-space tabs are bad for your soul. It doesn't really matter. The reality is that even if this thing shows up to be nothing but a red herring, you know what the deal is that I don't care. Hey, quadratic first. Who does two-space tabs? A dude. All of JavaScript. All of it. All of JavaScript does it. I think it's awful. I think two-space tabs are awful. But I want to prove it makes software terrible too. Live on stream now. There we go. Porque Maria. Ooh, porque Maria. Ooh, porque Maria. Yeah, I know you live in the cool world, okay? Not all of us get to just always live in the cool world, okay? Some of us have to still do crap, okay? Where I don't want to do it. Don't you? Napkin. I don't want to do it, but I have to.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
I love you too. Cobb. Have you seen Fleet? Have I seen Fleet? Have I seen Fleet? Okay? Look at that. I've been looking at Fleet pics all morning, okay? Most clickbaity title ever. No, it's not. This title made me, this is what we're doing today. We are going to be using some amazing, amazing things. I think there's,
your bad
hold on, is there,
into good
is there also YouTube?
It's a nice.
Hey, Thina Messi, thanks for that gifted sub, baby. Baby, what you do with that gifted sub? I can't believe it, Thina. You're almost up to 100, Thina. Father Condor, let's go. How was TwitchCon? TwitchCon was out of this world. I had a great time. I just realized I don't even have Twitch chat up. Two spaces greater than four. Yeah, see? Like I said, dingleberries everywhere, okay? Hey, YouTube chat, do you even exist? Do you even chat YouTube chat? You probably don't. You guys are probably really busy right now talking about, oh, actually, if you think about it. Yeah, I went to 0. Weird, I just went to 0.
Welcome
What's
to
happening
Costco.
here? Why is it dying? Okay, hey, we're back. We back. Hey, thank you. Set top box. Let's go. That's how YouTube sounds. I've heard I've heard theme. Yeah. Hey, hi. We here. 144p. Let's go. Beef nips.
Welcome to Costco.
My favorite nips. Okay, you're too powerful. You made me crap the bed. Okay, Teach bringing DDoS. Let's go. DDoS me, daddy. I don't like the song we're listening to. Did you try the foam pit at Twitch? I've heard nothing but positive reviews. No, I did not jump into the death pit. Good call. It was ran by, dude, I kid you not, the real reason why I didn't do it was that it was ran. This is not a joke. The foam pit was ran by Lenovo, and there was no way. No, the Hoff is not dead. Beastco, I just made it a specific request.
I love you.
Let's see, bro. Are you trolling two spaces superior? But I'll let you try and change my mind. Okay. Got gone to 18 viewers. Yeah. Oh, hi. Yeah. Lenovo. Did you know you're streaming right now? Hi. When code. When VS Code. Well, we got to determine it as a family, okay? I want everyone to feel like I'm doing something together. Do you want to try co-working in Fleet sometime? Supposedly it has a collaborative thing.
And give it to me raw.
Thank you.
Give me the meat.
Ooh.
And give it to me raw.
Oof. Oof. I am struggling emotionally. Hey. Hey, chat. Let's go. All right, so can I tell you guys a little story? I kid you not, in the last 3 months, I've had more things go wrong personally than I've ever had in my lifetime. And it has just been tragedy after just annoyance after everything. And I kid you not, water's not running at my house right now again. The pressure, the Are we really? Please don't go down again. If it goes down again, I'm done for the day. I'm literally just going to go and be sad. It's just emotionally difficult right now. This has just been emotionally difficult. Be back? I know I'm back, but this sucks. This is not how I want it to go down. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? I don't want this to go down like this. Oh my goodness, tell me this song is not good. Woo! Ow! I just realized I don't think that other scene has music, does it? Hey, thank you. Thank you, people. I don't think that other scene has music. No, it does not. No, it doesn't, does it? All right. Oh my goodness, I found a Tom Cardy song that is so good here. Okay, so I think we're back on. I think we're back up. Okay, let's see. Dude, I hate, for whatever reason, Discord just performs so poorly for me. All right, here we go. I pressed enter. Okay, we back for good. Sorry for the double announcement. All right. All right, let's do this. Electron, dude. Electron is just teabagging me straight up. All right. We should have 10 times as many people at this point, okay? But we don't. You know why? Because the internet sucks. I'm getting going down on me hard right now. All right, people. Are you ready for what we're going to do today? I hope that you're ready because this is going to be awesome. So the first thing we're going to do today is we are going to go and download and crawl many different repos. And their repos are going to either have 2 indents or 4 indents. And by crawling...
I love you.
Love you too. By crawling...
Welcome to Costco.
I said I love you!
Give me the meat and give it to me raw.
I'm like in a speech right now. Teen.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Isaac. Int. Inu. That is so many I's in there. I. Shh. This is like a starting moment here. Just let me have this moment. Here's the deals. We're going to crawl all those repos, every single file. We're going to crawl every TypeScript file, JavaScript file. We're going to crawl them all. The 2-space mother... Hey, YK Dojo, I appreciate the raid. How's that box art going, baby?
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
You know, I was just actually telling everybody what we're doing today. And you know what? I can't tell you because you guys won't shut up. Just hard tabs. I'll let people choose the width. What a hype. Anyways, hey, thank you, Kev Jumbo.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
The Hoff is still available. All right, here we go. You guys ready? Are you guys ready for me to explain this to you? Do you want to hear it? I use tab with 4. Am I a Giga Chad? You are. You're a proper Chad. Tokyo. Tokyo! All right, no matter what. Never forget Hakuna Matata. All right, are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, I'm going to start this over again. Everybody get ready. This is what we are doing today. No, this is not...
Goes out to the Primogen.
Seargs, I'm not upset. I'm not upset at you. Thank you very much. I don't know why this is your first 10 in the channel. I just would like to shake your hand regularly. Why is Python ignored here? Because I don't Python, okay, dog? But really, Seargs, thank you. Lila code. That's this person's name. All right, are we starting now? Okay, we're starting now. I hope that you're ready. So here we go. This is what we're going to do, is that I have made a list of 3-tab or of 2-tab repos and 4-tab repos in which we're going to use those to calculate the cyclomatic complexity using tree sitter. Cyclomatic complexity, you ask? Cyclomatic complexity, I'm going to be measuring it by the amount of indentation caused by loops, if statements, switch statements, and functions, arrow functions. You got it. Classes. We're going to measure it all. You know why? Because here's the deal. Here's the deal. This is what I don't like about a 2-space indentation. 2-space indentation allows you to indent further without feeling the pain of going too far in. So we're going to code analysis this son of a bitch right now, okay? Because right now, all of those little JavaScript kiddies are out there going, but I love 2-space indentation. Ah! And I don't care. You know why I don't care? Because I love 4-space indentation and 80-column hard requirement. Hard. But I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why that I like that, okay? Because 4-space indentation is really, really good at making you go far out, right? You're going to have to reel it back in, you know what I mean? Cyclomatic ligma is my favorite. Dude, stay ligma, baby. But
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
I love you, John. 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 Does anyone call to him? Thank you. Prime, don't reveal the hard truth to these kiddies. I
Welcome
know.
to Costco.
Thank you.
I
Monkey 2. Let's go. I got invited to Google event. How do I network with those people? It's extremely hard. Okay, this is how you know you're talking to somebody that is hard to network with. This is what happens. And it actually happens surprisingly high at TwitchCon, is people would do this. They do this. Oh, yeah, you know, I understand what you're saying, you know, all those kind of cool things. And, you know, I was just saying, and they would just pass by. They call it the pass by. They hit you with the eye contact and then go right away with it, right? And it just is, that's how you can tell somebody is not used to the human connection, okay? Really proactive. Yeah, thank you. Really not ready for that human interaction. All right, it's the Doppler effect. It really is. Any tips for Google Kickstart? No, I don't got any tips, baby. I mean, I have a tip, just not for Google, okay? NV Chad, best version of Vim, really. What font do you use? Whatever the system came with, I would have no idea. What's Xrander? It runs on my system and turns off my screen. We want Tom Cardy. Oh, my goodness. Have you heard the new Tom Cardy song? Furries, Down the Rabbit Hole. That was the grossest thing I've heard said in a long time. Please don't ever come into my stream and say that again. Don't say that again. I don't want to do that. I don't want to hear that. Remember that nonsense. I know. X-Man laser eye connection. Exactly. 4-space tab. All right, good. All right, let's do this. I'm legitimately, we're doing this, okay? All right, we're going to do this. All right, is everybody ready? Are we finally actually able to do this? Because I feel like I haven't been able to do this yet. It feels very frustrating. Flip. Hey. Hey. Where is he? The heck? Okay. Are you ducking? Hey. I saw your recent PR. 2 spaces. Get the hell out, okay? We have a formatter for a reason, and don't you ever try to commit that 2-space shit to our code base again, okay, buddy? I mean it. You don't even code. It was actually crap. But the worst part was the code. Spacing. I don't think tabs are good. If you use tabs, people can still adjust for 2-space indenting, which makes it bad. I don't want 2-space. Hire a full-time Go developers. DM me. Competitive salary. Okay, man, why do you gotta be like that? Why not ask for some? Why not ask for some permission? You know, why don't you like whisper me? Okay, you're doing it back to back. Do you know what I mean? It's just like, why you gotta be like that? Even if you're doing some really good stuff, you act like that. And I don't like that. I want him out. I want him out, okay? He can't just come fondling around the startup, rustling some jimmies, acting like it's just okay to throw out gracious opportunities like that. He could have at least come to you or me, Karen, but he didn't. I want him out. You want chat to decide. You know they're degenerates, right? I mean, have you seen the amount of Pokemon picks lately in the Discord? Degenerates. But I trust you, Karen. All right, you heard about it. You heard it here, folks. We're doing it. We're doing a quick poll. Let's go. Quick poll. New poll. Get him out. Yes. No. What is it? Is this life? Is this life? Just one hurdle after another. Oh my goodness. This is just, I'm emotional here. Get him out. Yes. No. You know what that other word means. There we go. Let's see it. Come on. Are we doing it? Are we getting him out? Get him out of the box. That's it. Out of the box. Let's see. We got a lot of yeses. This is not looking good for you, young friend. You know, I'll just pre-do it. I'll pre-do it. I don't even know what he said. Get him out. He's gone. He's gone. He's gone. Gone. Got goned. Got goned. He apologized, though. Well, you guys voted. This is your fault. Okay, what did he say? That's his apology? That's what he went with? He wants to apologize, but he didn't. He didn't apologize. He didn't apologize. He just wanted to. No commitment, okay? There's not a single drop of commitment. Whisper me your sorries, and I'll consider it. All right? VS Code is setting up, let's see, it has a setting to change 4-space code base to display 2-space anyways. Oh, my goodness. It's a meme. I want to apologize.
Welcome
it
to
is.
Costco.
All right, thank you, Z-Mop. Let's get started. Let's get started. All right, here we go. So the first thing we need to do is this. Let's jump out of here, jump into here, and go like this. Yarn. Yeah, yarn, add tree sitter JavaScript. Let's go. All right. I think I need to also go yarn, add types, tree sitter JavaScript. There we go. Let's do this. I want to have 2-space indentation. Wanted to what? I don't know. For the inconvenience of me not giving a fluff.
Welcome to Costco.
Nerds.
I love you.
Hey, Theo. Nice streaked out of your mind. 6 for 6. Theo, you didn't answer my questions. I whispered you. Theo, I whispered some really great questions for you. All right. Anyways, let's find out if this is the case. Make dir is, let's see, 2-space bad. CD is 2-space bad. Let's go. All right. So for those that don't know, we're going to go like this. We're going to do a little index, a TypeScript. Let's go like this. Import tree shitter from, all right, let's just grab the example. You did? Oh, okay. Let's go like this. Tree sitter. So we're going to use tree sitter because tree sitter's fast, and I don't want more JavaScript to process JavaScript, okay? We don't need more JavaScript for JavaScript. You know what I mean? Like the last thing we need is just even more JavaScript. Hey, what are you doing? More JavaScript. Documentation. right? There's like, here, shoot, where are you? Tree sitter JavaScript bindings, right? There's this really nice little example. We're just going to use JavaScript. We need more Rust. Yeah, we'll do that. Let's see. I sat on a few trees in my time. Everyone's spent a little time in the trees. You know what I mean? Ain't nothing wrong with that. Ain't nothing wrong with that. All right, let's go here. All right, so as you can see, we can do this, and then we can grab the root, if I'm not mistaken, and log it. Here we go. So let's just make sure we got everything set up nicely. Do that, and I'm going to go ts ignore. There we go. Just get the hell out of here. Get the hell out of here. And go back is 2 space indenting bad. npx ts node go. Boom. We just got the entire tree. I take no stances on tab. I'm not saying anything about tabs versus spaces. That's not what I mean by this title, okay? I'm a front of a fan. And now, too. Much cooler here. Nice. It's not about that. First and try. It's about the size of the spacing. I don't care if you use tabs or spaces. I don't care. I don't have enough emotional capacity to give a rat's ass about that. Flawless, a one-line full-stack TS just flows from his fingertips. That's right. Excuse me. Can you move the thing where your keys? Oh, yeah, I can. I don't care the prime gen. I was asked, and I also, yeah. That's because Theo, you care about things that are a touch more useful than that. At least you can say that. I'm not all about that. There we go. All right, do that. Did I just hear something explode? I swear I just heard something explode. I'm definitely more on board with 8 space tabs than 2 space tabs. It's about the size of the indentation. It really is. I would check on that. No question. What about HTML? Consider how many nested levels there are for. Well, I'm not doing HTML. I'm not talking about HTML. I'm talking about code. Okay. I'm talking about a programming language. Okay. Go to twitter.com and say, I hate useless arguments, but HTML is not a programming language. Boom. Make it happen. You get my favorite programming language out of your mouth. Fair point. All right, anyways, I use 8 space tab. What's wrong with that? Good. Was mentioned in the latest Fireship video. Wait, there's another Fireship video that mentioned me? Throw it towards me. What did Fireship say this time? I did, him and I, let's see, is literally, what did he say? Hit me with the address. Hit me with the timestamp, dog. All right, guys, did you hear this Tom Cardy song? Did you hear the new Tom Cardy song? The new Tom Cardy song is a banger. It's way too short. Let's go! What's your opinion on Scratch Program? None. HTML is a programming language. No, it's not. Let's go. All right, I'm a businessman with a business plan to make you money in business plan. Let's go. All right, pretty sure it's CSS plus. I didn't say CSS plus HTML, dog. I said HTML. Tom Cardy. You. All right, there we go. So we got it running right here. So now let's start walking this tree, okay? So this is what we're going to do. Const 2 space repos. There we go. Whoa. You're doing live streams each day now? That's so great. I've been doing live streams for quite some time. Tell me that song was not awesome. I love that song. I love that song. Thoughts on Fleet? No. This Fireship is primed for reaction. Okay. I'm ready. Here we go. Here we go. All right, let's do it. Where is it? I'm gonna react. React to this. Let's go. Live reaction. Are you ready? Everybody go subscribe to Fireship. All right, here, I'm going to take out the time. Let's just see what it has to say. Take out the time. Let's listen to it. I think I might know what's killing my internet. And I think it's because I'm using a lot of uploadings. Uh-oh. Is my internet dying again? Internet, don't you die. All right, let's see this. Live reaction brought to you by whoever made this. I think their name is Fireship. First look fleet. Oh, yes. Oh, wow. He already put this in here. Yes.
It is October 13th, 2022, and you're watching The Code Report. Yesterday, JetBrains announced the preview release of Fleet, the long-awaited IDE that's been dubbed the VS Code killer. JetBrains has...
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
I do want you to know right now that when I tried Fireship, I could not even press any number. Every time I pressed a number, it deleted unknown amount of code in my code base. Like a 3 would delete this direction only, a 7 would delete this direction, a 9 would it was a nightmare.
An impeccable record when it comes to building IDEs, with IntelliJ for Java, WebStorm for JavaScript, PyCharm for Python, and so on. If anybody's going to build a next-generation IDE to compete with VS Code, it's JetBrains. Let's find out if Fleet meets these high expectations. One of the main reasons VS Code is so popular is that it's free. Fleet is also free currently, but appears it will be a paid product in the future. To install it, you need to download JetBrains Toolbox, where you pick and choose the different programs that you want to download through this app. That's a pretty big turnoff for something I would expect to be a lightweight download. Speaking of which, one of the main...
I love you.
I agree. I don't like this. I don't like this. Why Notepad++? I expected Vim right there.
Criticisms of VS Code is that it's a big fat memory hog built with Electron. Now, I don't condone fat shaming, and I'm proud to use the big and beautiful VS Code, but was kind of shocked at the amount of memory that Fleet was using. I have Fleet and VS Code opened up on the same project. VS Code is using about 750 megabytes, while Fleet is using almost 3 gigabytes. They both require a lot of CPU when you're actually editing, but I was very surprised at the memory footprint here and checked with some friends on Discord to make sure that I wasn't the only one. Anyone on Windows reported more memory usage, but on Linux it appears to be smaller. According to InfoWorld, it's mainly written in Kotlin, and the front-end UI uses Skia, with Rust being used in places as well. Hopefully, we get a ton of
Skia decent. Okay.
Crazy features in exchange for this memory. Let's find out. First of all, I like the overall UI. It's minimal and approachable, in contrast to other JetBrains products, which tend to be pretty complex. I really like its Git and Git history panels, and it also supports Docker.
Dude, JetBrains just is dynamite at Git. I love what JetBrains has done.
Of the box. The actual text editing experience is pretty nice and has this next-gen feature called Find that allows you to search for text within a file. This is really powerful when you need to find something but don't know where it is, because Find will search for something and then let you know when it's found. But what makes Fleet different than anything else on the market is something called
Did he just call grep a next generation? Next
Smart Mode. When you first open it, it just works like a regular text editor. However, at the top here, you'll notice a button to enable Smart Mode. When you click it, it turns the editor into a full-blown IDE with features like autocomplete, refactoring, and so on. These features require a lot more overhead because it has to index the entire project, so it's cool to have the option to opt in only as needed. It's kind of like a hybrid between a lightweight text editor and a full-blown IDE, although it appears to take a long time, like maybe over a minute, to index a project.
Yeah,
you can also get full IDE
features
in VS Code through plugins, but with Smart Mode, it all just kind of happens automatically. Currently, not everything is supported. As you can see here, I have a Svelte project, which isn't supported, which means no syntax highlighting, autocomplete, or anything. Maybe someone will create a Svelte plugin in the future, but currently that's not possible in preview, because currently there's no API to extend Fleet with plugins. However, that is guaranteed to be a thing in the future. That'll be pretty essential, because right now there's only 4 themes to choose from, and VS Code users are more concerned about how the editor looks when someone is spying on their laptop at Starbucks than any actual IntelliSense coding features. Overall, I think Fleet has a ton of potential, but it's definitely not a VS Code killer, and I'm not even sure that's what JetBrains is going for. A paid product will never challenge VS Code. Independent developers are just way too poor and cheap, especially with today's CPI print, which was once again worse than expected. I think the big innovation here is that you can move indexing to a remote space, which seems like it would be most appealing to large remote teams, where great IntelliSense can be achieved on any language across multiple projects. But if you want to be a real alpha like the Primogen or David Goggins, you should use Vim.
I want to see that guy who immersed himself in fucking hell and he thought
Welcome to
about
Costco.
quitting and leaving and,
Let's
and his wife
go!
and his kids, and why am I here? Is it worth it? All this crazy shit?
The way I do it is I open up my terminal, type in Vim, then zoom out the camera a little bit, then take advantage of VS Code while Vim is running, and now my mom can proudly say her son uses Vim. This has been the Code Report. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.
Let's go, Fireship. Dude, that was awesome. That was awesome. Dude, we talked about that joke offline. I am so happy he used that. What a champion. We were trying to decide, we were discussing like how to make the funniest Vim joke. Dude, he did it perfect. He nailed that funniest Vim joke. Mwah! So good. So good. All right, let's get back to it. Let's go. Dude, Fireship is awesome, by the way. Fireship is genuinely awesome, if you haven't seen it. Over Devio, thank you for that tier 1, baby. Let's go. And Davido, thank you. And Trickery. Appreciate that. I do. And Theo, let's go. I just like how I use Rust. Yeah, exactly. Comparison with David Goggins with Prime Gen. Exactly. I like pain.
The best indentation size is the one that is standard for your programming language. User formatter, bitches.
I don't even know where that came from. I don't agree with you. But anyways, it doesn't matter. I actually do think that two-space indenting is not good. Anyways, so let's actually find out why. So what we're going to do here is the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to download this piece of sweet-ass code right here, okay? So I'm going to go in here, and I'm going to put this
Welcome to
under the
Costco.
for
I love
indentation
you.
side. Hey, thank you. Hey, Disowns, welcome to Costco. And guess what? I love you. But seriously, over Drivio or over Devio, this is a stand-up between me and you. Okay, I want you to tell me everything that you're going to do and everything that you will do. Not just today, but tomorrow and next week and the following month, okay? This is the stand-up of your life at the startup. And if you do not get it wrong, I take back all bathroom ramen privileges for well over 2 weeks. Nope. Eye contact. You will look at me. Always. You got that, tough guy? Don't you break it. Can't threaten? I think I can. All right, let's do that right now. So we got this. So let's just start with this. You know what I mean? We're going to just start right here, and let's pull out some source code. You know what I mean? Let's pull it out. All right, let's get that the hell out of there. And let's do this. We're going to go function, async function, clone stuff. Can I clone it? I think I should just clone it. I think that's going to be fine, right? Clone stuff, repo. Let's go. I think am I using TypeScript? I am. That is much better. Promise void. Or let's actually do a list of files in which we should use. Does that make sense? How do you feel about Kakwan, by the way? Kakwan. Oh, I love Kakwan. If you criminalize two-space indents, oh, then only criminalize will have two-space tabs. Ooh. I want a bumper that says, my mom was a Vim user, but now she's addicted to Emacs. You should. Yes, Duplicate Prime and Fireship are the best internet devs. No, Fireship's the best. Just type minified JavaScript from that get-go. No need for indentation.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
I love you too, Lynn. How much do I have to pay for my internship at the startup? Hopefully my 10 years of experience is enough. Lynn, you got in again, okay? Cutting out the middleman, clean. There is nothing. All right, so this is, so for those, okay, we're gonna go over my theory again. Here's my theory why two-space indenting is bad.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Really? Marcus, here it is. How funny it is working on something new again instead of finishing the other project. Him finishing it didn't last long, did it? Okay, come on. So here it is that I fundamentally believe two-space indenting leads to more
Welcome to
indenting,
Costco.
which more
I love
indenting leads to more complex code, right? Because you can more comfortably indent your code. I don't think you should indent your code. That's why I do like 80 columns as well. 80 columns gives you this nice line that's not too far, which means as you start exceeding it, you immediately know, hey, it's probably time to rethink of what's happening right here. It's time for me to reconsider how much I'm indenting. I think it's a very good, I think it's a good idea. Oh no, we're not doing. I'm not talking about space and all that crap, right? You can use tabs, whatever. You know what I mean? 80 columns and 4 spaces is a nightmare with Java and TypeScript due to all the types. I mostly keep it with all my projects, right? I mostly keep it with almost all my projects because I never really indent beyond 3 indents, right? Yeah, I mean, I think that's pretty healthy. Like, I think it's a healthy approach to code, right? You know, in this day and age, you should upgrade to 100 charts. I mean, I could potentially see 100. Why? Why are we smaller than Twitch chat? Because you don't matter to me. I have a sweet 4K monitor. Okay, you don't matter to me. Okay, so now that we have that, let's do this. So we have our repo. So we need to do what the heck's this thing called? Import. What is it? Child from what is it? Child process. There we go. And do I go child.spawn fork exec? What exec? Command callback. Boom. Let's do it. Git clone, and then is it? Let's see. Clone to specific path. Git. I think it's -C, right? Actually, can I just? What am I doing? Man, git clone. I swear it was big C, right? Oh, can't search for that. No. Okay. What is it? 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 No. Name, branch name, origin, mirror, sparse, bare, no checkout. I probably want something like depth, right? Let's see. What is it? Git clone URL path. Okay, I can do that. Oh, it's just second argument. Awesome. Thank you, Julian. That incredibly long Java type. I'm not talking about Java, though. Java, I can handle 120 spaces. Just like C++, you do make some concessions to the language. Why doesn't YouTube and Twitch comments format code blocks correctly? I don't know. Bro, should I learn C#? I don't know. Do you want to? Careful. Soon companies will say it must be within 60 columns because I'm more efficient. That'd be sweet. Let's see. All right, so it's like, what is it? Depth 1? Depth, right? Is depth a thing? Depth creates a shallow clone with a history truncated. Yes, so I should just do a depth 1, right? Is that about right? The number of space indentations gets solved by using tabs, not spaces. No, it doesn't get solved. It still is the same problem. Goodness gracious, I swear. Stay focused, people. Depth 1. Because you can define whatever you want, right? That's not the problem. Repo, right? And then let's go temp. And what is it? Let's see. Can we use baster on this? Let's see. Yeah. Base name. Cool. I believe if I go path, we'll just go like that for now. Path, base name, repo. Yeah. That was neat. Yeah, why not? Should I learn jQuery? Yeah, go for it. If you don't need history, you should do depth 1. Yeah, I did that. GitHub knows what's up. 8 spaces. Let's go. There aren't many coders who use screen readers. Shee! Yeah. What phone do you use? Google something or another. Should I? People, the correct number of spaces is 69. Finally, we have somebody speaking some level of sense in the startup. I appreciate that. Unterminated literal. Yep. All right. Const string. Let's go. Whoopsies. Const out string. Let's go. Let's do this. Return out. Let's do it. Oh, yep. All right. Now that we have that, I don't like this song. It's not juicy enough. Do you know there's this Miss Monique song that's just been stuck in my head lately? I love it, and I don't know why it's stuck in my head. All right. Why don't you use suggestive plugins for your terminal? Why don't you use suggestive plugins? Coders is a slur. By the way, did I see CM Griffing? Oh, I did. Yeah, I thought so. It just registered in my brain right now. Hey, CM Griffing also codes live. I've seen it. I've seen what he does. I've seen his work. He's the only Twitcher that I know that regularly finishes projects.
I love you.
Because the rest of us make big things, and some of us never finish them. Great Galactic. Howdy. Anyways, all right, so we're going to do this, and there's a way to promisefy this, right? I don't remember how to promisefy it, so we're just going to go like this. Function, Clone repo, boom, repo string, let's go. Right, string, promise, void, let's go. Return a new promise, res, let's go, people. Do one of those, get that, go here. E, I think it's an error, right? Is that it? If E, then
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
reg, right? Else do that. Let's see, res, what is it? Or Reggie. Hey, I made a product at Netflix called Reggie. It was the most reliable pacer of all time. For video, it was video playing stuff. Damn, when did I follow? I don't know. Can anyone tell me what's going on? I have no idea about programming. I misclicked the stream and I can't turn it off now. I can ban you. Do you need to be banned? I just discovered this chain and
Welcome
I really
to Costco.
appreciate you, GigaChat
I
Vim
love
user.
you.
Thank you. You're welcome. Soulbird, let's go, Soulbird! I appreciate it. Rodrigo! Ready to have my mind changed. Show me how 2 spaces ways are evil. We're trying right now. I can't get over the typing speeds. Really? You can type that fast too if you try. Really, just go practice. Clone repo. Let's go. Await. Let's do that. And you know what? Let's have not path, but path to repo. Let's do that. And then let's go const path to repo equals. Let's do that. And whoopsies. Let's go like that. And do one of these. Paste that. Semicolon. That. Space, space, space. One more space. So close. Path to repo. That was pretty good guessing. That was pretty good guessing right there. All right, so we do that, and we go path to repo. Yeah, 7 up. FV string. Awesome. Got him. Your coding looks like one in the movies. Thank you. Is Dr. Disrespect coding? No! No, he's not, okay? No. He's not. Here's the deal. He's not coding. I think I might be feeling a little tall today, okay? So if things are a little off, it's because I ate my vitamins this morning, okay? But what I really am feeling right now is just from this height, I can properly look down on you. That's all I am. It's just a CEO coding. This is what CEOs look like when they're coding. So remember, let your CEO code all of your tasks. It'll be the best. Nobody knows how I got there. Someone clipped the CEO coding part. Let me send that to my CEO. You could clip it. Oh, yeah, I know. I know. Something happened. Don't worry about it. I improved other parts of the startup, and now we look goofy. All right. All right, so we have the path to this repo. So now let's go like this. Let's go to the repo, and now we need to crawl the repo and find everything, right? Function find all TS files, right? So we're going to have base path string, let's go, and then we're going to return out a list of strings. Const out equals that, put that down here, return out. Oh, I like this song, so it is good. And now we need to do this kind of thing. Do you know what we're going to have to do here, Primegen? Do you know Stragger? He also does great programming streams with lots of educational content. Yes, actually, I had dinner with him in San Jose recently. He's a good guy. Dr. Disrespect Counter, number 3. What are we doing? Howdy. I tried to find out what monitor you have. Found it. Right? Isn't it in there? Oh, it's not in there. I want to get to this level. You can. You got to just practice. Dr. Demento is better than Disrespect. Wow. Anyways, so let's go like this. Let's do a const files equals. Yeah, let's do a files. You know what? Can we just... Ooh, no, I don't want to use reduce at all. I always hate myself when I use reduce. Fs dot. That up here. Take that. Take path. Fs. Let's go. All right. Awesome. All right. Fs dot read file sync. Let's do that. We're going to just read... Or not read file sync. Read dir sync. There we go. We're just going to read the directory. Base path. Let's go. And so now we have all the files that exist here for let I equals 0, for I less than files dot length I plus plus. Let's go. And This is what we need to do. We need to just recursively walk this, but we need to determine what type of file type is it. Are we not using today? No. Based path. Yeah. Bro, you're insane at this. No, I'm not. I'm just a regular old man doing regular old man things. Kind of looks like Prime has abnormally large hands. That is not true. I have very small hands. I love this song. Any commentary on Pop OS? It's nice. Yes, we're doing recursion. All right. So now that we have this, we have all the files. We just simply need to combine them, right? Const file path equals path.join base path file. Let's see, files I. There we go. So now we have this thing, right? We have the file path to this thing. If path dot do I have extension in this one? Returns the extension of the path from the last dot to the end of the string. Ah, yes. Equals ts or path dot extension name file path equals js, right? There we go. We're just doing that. File path, let's go. This is looking good. Okay, so we have it. We're looking fine, right? So I can already tell you, with my 80 character limit, this file's about, like, what I'm doing inside this if statement is making me go,
Welcome to Costco.
we're coming to the
I love
end,
you.
right? I'm coming to the end of how much I want to put in this one function. Do you see that? It's nice. Dude, do you have a link to your playlist? Yeah, you're my favorite JavaScript content creator. Let's go! If Theo is still here, suck it, Theo. Playing any Apex Legends today? No, but I do have some things set up. On November 5th, we have a big event I'm trying to put on. It's going to be a race to build a compiler or an interpreter. Every book sold from this guy, he has agreed he'll give $10 to charity. Very exciting. And then, here's the best part. Are you ready for it? Are you ready for it? After 12 hours, whoever wins, wins, right? And guess what? Are you ready? Are you ready? After that, I'm playing Apex with Bash Bunny and Love Abilities for a while, and then I got to figure out the rest. I really wanted to get some sort of Tarkov, Escape for Tarkov, but that's going to be like the midnight to 4 a.m., a block hour, and we'll see what happens, okay? Tell me this is not great. 80 to 100 is the best length. Now, are you missing the first index by doing I++? No, that's not how pluses work at all. No. These are functionally equivalent to each other in this situation. The only difference is that technically, I assume the compiler compiles it out, but I++ creates a memory allocation where ++I does not have to. You know what I mean? All right, here we go. So we have this. Awesome. Let's do it. Okay, so someone's like, why didn't you just do this? I'm literally making a video about this. I can't do that, okay? I can't do that because that makes me have a freak out, okay? You know why? I hate creating memory, okay? I cannot create an array every loop, okay? It hurts me. It's emotionally painful, okay? Anyways, here we go. Path.extend name. If it's one of these two, then we need to go like this. Out.push.file path. Let's go. Else, people. Dude, look at this. This is gonna be terrible. Actually, we should be able to go like this. Actually, now that I think about it, I can just go out. Woof. Let's see. Is this a directory? Is it stats? Crap. How do you do that? Is directory a file? Come on! Nutha is slapping his hand on his forehead at this point. Get the hell out of here. I know. I forget what it is. Thank you for turning off my screen. I didn't need it anyways. I'm just going to pick it up from Stack Overflow. Okay. That's cool. Let's go. Boom! All right, so now that we have that, we're going to go in here. We're going to go path to repo, find, and we're going to go like this. Console.log, find all TS files. Let's do that. Find all TS files, path to repo. Let's go. And then, of course, we're going to do one last thing. If Where are you? There you are. Sorry, people. We're just in the zone. My goodness, I'm loving this. Hey, sipping ads, baby. Okay, I like that. He's making today. Dude, song name? I don't even know. Miss Monique, I know. Hey, you, ad. Hey, Flips. Flips just sub to me and said, I love to see the Prime code. It makes me feel so inadequate. You're welcome, Kung Fun. All right, hold on. We got to do that one more time. We got to do it one more time, okay? I love that song. I love that song. I love that song, okay? You're kind of cute for real, though. Hey, thanks, Lev. Hey, that picture of yours, I feel like I see a little mustache in there. You're kind of cute, too, bud. Have you ever fallen due to the yoga ball? Yes, I have on stream. It has happened, okay? But it's not going to happen in front of all of you, okay? All right, you guys ready? Here we go. All right, Prime, you're going to have to allocate the strings you defined there anyways. I think it actually probably pulls those craps out. Here we go, clips. I don't know if there's a clip. Some strings have to be allocated. I just don't like flagrant ones. All right, clone, repo. Let's go. All right, so now that we have that, let's just go right here and go like this. Function. Yeah. Let's go like this. Let's do something here. Let's go like this. Clone stuff, and then let's pass in, what is it? Yeah, 4 space repos. I remember that. 4 space repos. Let's just try this. Here we go, people. Do you think we can do this first try? This is first try, non-stop programming, absolutely non-stop, no breaks, barely Googled. Let's rock. Do we get this one first try? Let's not do a poll. Let's do a son of a bitch prediction, okay? Who's going to be this summary prediction? First try. Here we go. First try. No way. Who's making the bet? Got it. Let's go. Who's doing it? Make the bet. People, make the bet. Do you do coke? Yeah. Who? Let's see, Aiden. Is this HTML fan club? It is. Hey, Aiden. I think I slightly ran into you at TwitchCon. All right. Do you feel this stuff? Here we go. We're ready. We're ready. We're right there. I think we ran into a yoga ball is better. All in. Let's go. I can't believe you're all in. Why are you doing this in TS and not Go or Rust? 2K? No way. How do I listen along with the music on Spotify? I don't know. All right, here we go. Almost there. It's all that's the I ran into you guys at the bar. I didn't manage to stop by for long because I was with another group, but it was nice to say hi. It was. How you doing? All right, we're almost there. Let's go. We got an even split going on. I'm feeling it so good right now. Okay, here we go. Oh, my goodness. All right, come on. No! No, I forgot that it throws an issue if the thing doesn't exist. Come on. Damn it. So stupid. Come on. Let's go. All right, here we go, people. All right, so now that we have this done, let's think about this. Okay, so we're going to go like this. Oh my goodness. This must be a huge... we must be just downloading like wild. I should have put... I wish there was like a little progress we could put. I should have put it... Yeah, cloning with depth 1. If this doesn't work soon, we may have to like... I may have to kill it. I don't know if it's running or not. Damn it. Okay, we should have probably got some feedback, huh? All right, so let's get something that can give some feedback. Let's see. Standard out process Node.js. Let's go. Okay, come on. What is wrong with my internet today? Gosh, I really like that song. All right, we got one more song that I really like. Are you ready for the other song I really been loving lately? Are you ready? I've just been loving it, and I don't know why, but I just want to make sweet love to it, okay? Switch from YouTube to Twitch also. Watching Prime moves go to waste without music. Yeah, here we go. And also, let's go like this. Here, I'm going to kill this thing, and I'm going to go like this. Console.log executing... And take this thing and let's yank that thing and go like this. Const git command equals go paste. Let's go. Do that. Git command. There we go. And CA those git command. Let's go. All right, there we go. So now that we have that, I'm just going to go like this. Make sure it gets executed properly. All right, here we go. All right, there is no TypeScript. Okay.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Let's just see how long this takes so I know that it's not just something crazy. Thank you very much, Padzilla. I gotta pee so bad. Oh my goodness. PrimeGen, have you ever listened to Infected Mushrooms? Yes. This is why it took so long. Look at my internet speed. Look at the internet speed. Look at it. Would you look at that? Fireship talked about you in his latest video, and I think it's cool. I think so, too. Trash. Ain't nothing but trash. All right, so obviously things were working, so let's, oh my goodness. I got something better. Let's go like this. I mean, I'd like to make this programmatic, but forget about it. You know what I mean? Make DIRs repos. Let's go like this. Let's just clone it into this spot. So I can just use that from here on out. You know what I mean? Why can't I have IntelliSense on my conf? I don't know. This is suboptimal Netflix speeds. I know. It really is. Why 2 spaces bad? That's what we're doing. Is there a Theo in here? Did I see a Theo? Where's the... Oh, hey, Theo. Hey, I'm watching my own video and your live stream. Just autoplayed. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Theo. Hey, speaking of live stream autoplay bullshit, why the hell haven't you pressed the like button already? Okay, there's more of you than likes. That means you all suck. I've just got a funky cola soda, baby. All right, we're almost there. Are you coding like this in your official job? Depends if I'm reading documentations or not. My grandfather, when someone would show up at his house and a dog started barking, he would say, watch that dog, he's a shit eater. I love it. I love it. Fleet versus feet. All right. So let's not clone repos from here. We'll just take that part out because honestly, I mean, I kind of like the idea of being able to do it there. I'm not going to lie to you. Ooh. Let's go like this, actually. You know what we're going to do? We'll
Welcome
yank
to
the repo.
Costco. I love you.
Synergized! Yes! Let's make sweet synergy. Oh my goodness, I'm so ready. You and Chonky Boy, I can't believe I just got 1 stall, 2 new Twitch Primes at the same time. A little menage a trois of manager and sub-manager relations going on here. And I would like to say that I really and thoroughly appreciate both of you. Not enough door gap to be real. Gotta expose all the way up to mid-thigh. All right, actually, I do want to clone repost. I do. All right, so we are going to do this, and then we need to figure out how to print out stuff, okay? How do we print out stuff? You know what I mean? S. Jano, let's go. Wait, where are you? Oh, we got to spawn. Let's spawn it then. Let's spawn. Let's just spawn it. All right. Ah. Ah, I'm working faster than my autocomplete. It happens. All right, so this is the one we're gonna want to we're gonna want to equal this one out. All right, so we're gonna, instead of doing this one, let's go like this. We need to go get. Yup. Gosh, I hate. Okay, there we go. There we go. Let's do it. Let's do it. All right, there we go. And let's go down here and go like that. There we go. We're all looking good. Don't you love that song? Tell me that last song was not amazing. Python developers and drug lords be like, Justin Ford Pandas. Thank you, Schooled. Missing a comma. I don't know, but I gotta go pee. I gotta pee.
Welcome to Costco. I love you. Welcome to Costco. I love you.
I would like to say I washed my hands. That's all I have to say. All right, here we go. I really like this song too. Right, is it right here? No, it's not right there. Where is it? Is it right here? Yes, it's right here. Bro, one plus a prog. Yeah. It is coming up in this world. Okay, are you ready? All right, so here we go. All right, almost there, sorry. All right, I am ready to do this. Let's crush it out. I'm ready for the next level. All right, let's go. I never felt a description that way before. You should. I'm not even possible. You are, clearly. All right, here we go. Am I the only one who doesn't understand code yet? But yet I like your charming. I think there's a couple of you. Where's Dr. Disrespect Gillette's song? All right, here we go. So, all right. So, oh, I don't. Why did I do that? That doesn't make any sense. All right. So why? What's wrong with you? Oh, yeah. All right, so there we go. So we got those ones. So let's see if we can get this thing right here on close. Let's go. All right, so I think that is good. So let's see if we got this now. Because I just want this thing to work, you know what I mean? Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh. There's undefined now. Wait, where did I just... Didn't I just spawn... Oh, JavaScript is slow. Damn. Okay, well, we just cloned it somewhere else. So we need to go like this. npx run this, and let's go like this. Repos. All right, so this should work out, right? All right, there we go. We're going to go into repos. We're doing this. Where is all of the delicious information? Where is it? I need it. Do you stream on Netflix Job Time? There is no such thing as Netflix Job Time. I mean, there is and there isn't. You know what I mean? Do you really want to clone or just get the source? I could get the source. I mean, I still got to do all the other crap. I just like the idea of cloning. I can't tell if I'm doing anything or not here. Right? Like, it definitely has the right first letters. Like, I like that part, but the rest seems sucky. Why am I going right here? Does it really clone out on the error? I just wanted to clone it. Why is it cloning out on error? Primegen, how's your portfolio looking? Is it looking limp? No, it is not looking limp, but thank you. Hi, Prime. Currently working my hardest on an assignment at a multi-million-dollar company. Do you have any advice? You know, you can only work as hard as you can. You can't just permanently work hard forever. Right? You got to know how to pace yourself. Okay, so we did get there, but now we're not seeing anything right here. Const. Let's go like this. Console.log files. Right? Files. There we go. So let's do this. I mean, that's a lot of files. So why did I not find any of these? You're an inspiration, dude. Well, thank you. I appreciate that. You know, spawn sync, sudo inherit. Oh, there's a spawn sync. Well, that would be nice. I feel like I like that. Why use double quotes instead of single quotes? I just don't like double quotes. It's a matter of time when this guy does. I have done an RMRF on my tilde, right? Yeah, we're trying. I'm in an assignment to get hired, so I need to build a small... Oh, that you gotta... Dude, you gotta pick something you love to do, man. I can't tell you how to love programming. Okay? I can't tell you how to love programming. That's for you. That's for you to know. You know what I mean? All right. So, obviously, that works. Cool story. Cool story. I love it. I love it. All right, awesome. Oh, I'm in Firefox, that's right. I don't want to reinstall Chrome. I don't care. I just want your inspector, boy. Boy. I just want your inspector. All right. What's going on here? A dev container? Yeah, that seems about right. That seems about right. Actually, let's just move on. What do we got here? Dev container. All right, a lot of crap. Oh, we're in Gitland. I should have put a more custom debugger. Don't you agree? Yeah, let's go like this. I feel like that debugger sucked, right? Just use NDB. It automatically spawns standalone DevTools. I didn't know that. Oh, that seems nice. All right. As you can see, I use the debugger often. This feels like a nice place for a debugger. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Let's go. I should probably ignore... Can we all agree I should probably ignore get? Okay, there we go. So this should definitely trip up something, right? How did that not trip up a single thing? How did that not trip up anything? There's a lot of diagnostic. Are we just in some sort of forever loop? Oh, I'm doing one right now. Dude, I thought I was hitting this right here, not even paying attention to what I was doing. Oh my goodness, I'm so stupid. All right, so yeah, this is hitting those things, right? So, dude, I wasn't even paying attention. Path.extension, extent name, file path. What do we get? Ah, crap, it's doing that thing. What is it called? What's the thing called? All right. How do I access that bad boy? Ah, path 1. Yes, let's do that. Let's go like this, and then let's go. What is it? Oh my goodness. Ah! All right, so we got those two, but we need more. There is definitely something else. Let's go like this. What, dude? What is it? I thought it was. Does path 2 file? Wait, why is that not auto completing? What just happened to my to TS server? Did I just kill it? I don't even know. All right, there we go. Apparently my TS server sucks. Did he finish Vim Royale? No, but I'm excited. This is Fleetwood Mac, isn't it? Yes. Your fingers move more than you type. Interesting. Do you have any advice on finding a project to learn with? I always do the exact same intersection always, right? Which is I want something in which I love, like something I'm interested in a language I'm interested in. That's a great side project, right? All right. I swear it's contains. I guess I'm just gonna guess here. Ignore. Yeah, that's good enough for me, huh? Let's see, and not ignore, is ignore, nice is ignore. Now that I hear that, it makes me sound so smart. All right, so I'm just gonna do this. Is it includes? Where is my auto complete? Okay, how many times? Oh, crap. We did find one. Okay, we're going places. We found one. My, what big hands you have. Perfectly lined up with your arms. I know, thank you. There we go. No, I'm not ever going to do it. I'm sorry. I'm literally never going to do it. Progress. There we go. All right, so now we have this. So obviously I must be missing something here that's just not quite going right, because why am I doing this and not pushing more and more of these bad boys? So let's go like this. You know, we're just going to do it. Let's see. There we go. Why not? Let's see. All right, so I definitely didn't ignore any of those. Ignored. Why? ¿Por qué, Maria? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I know why. Oh, I know why. Oh my goodness, I am so stupid. Or am I so smart? I don't know. I don't know. Can I pass? Is there like a ends with? There is definitely a starts with. Really? You have starts with, but you don't have ends with? Oh, you do. That's what I want to see. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Drew Chrono. Mars Attacks, welcome. You're so smart. No, I'm really just a dude. I'm just a dude. That's all I am. Path to file ends with .get. All right. We ignore all repos that start, or all folders that start with that. Here we go. Let's put this thing in. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at all of that delicious files that we found. We should probably ignore .dts. Can we agree to that? Those aren't really things. You know what I mean? Dude, emophonic
Welcome
Emilio.
to Costco. I love you.
Emilio! Emilio. Emilio, I'd like to say that I appreciate you. I like what you're doing out there. So you can go ahead, sit next to me, enjoy yourself, run around my desk like a little child so that I can go, Emilio! I heard that I was referenced as a Vim alpha male. Boom.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Thank you. Rangers, how are you finding the Ergo 360 Pro? Dude, I love it. It is actually the best keyboard I've used. For sure. For sure. Here we go. I love it. Honestly, I do love it. I actually really do. Constant. Ooh, you know what we're going to do? We're going to go like this. Yeah. Let's see, extend equals .ts, or let's see, extend equals .js, and put that right here, and path, let's see, path to file ends with d.ts. I like that. There we go. Why not? What's the music? I don't even know. Progressive house? Your Node conf talk about optimizing Node already out? No. Why don't you use auto pairs? I hate auto pairs. That's why I don't use them. It's shocking. But yes, I hate auto pairs. All right, let's make sure this all still works. I just don't want .dts files, right? All right, boom. We got them. Lots of files. All right, so now that we have that, we should be able to go through each one of these files, and let's find... All right, let's go through each one of these files. Progressive house is dead. Hey, did you notice that Fireship IO? Yes, I did. I got the mention, and I am grateful for the fact that he mentioned me. You know why? Because I like him. All right, I want more music. I want more music, but I don't know what to play. Have you ever been in that position? Have you ever been in that position?
Welcome to Costco.
Thanks
I
for
love
turning
you.
it off. It's Wolves and Maru Haken. Thank you. Any idea why Harpoon sometimes adds the full path? No, I don't. I have no idea. What do you decide? Let's see. No, I did not. Vim versus Fleet. Vim. I am. Farshed. Thank you for knowing that. I can't stand Fireship videos. Weird. Thanks for sharing with everybody that. I love Fireship videos. All right. So now that we got that out of the way, let's go through each one of these and let's break down and tree all over the place, okay?
Welcome to Costco.
Where are you, tree shitter? I mean, I probably shouldn't do this serially. Yeah, let's go like this. Let's not do this serially. Let's see. Read file. Yeah, let's do this one. Path to file. Let's go. String. Wait, can I promisify? Can't I promisify this? I forgot what you're doing. I'm doing a cyclomatic complexity. What language is this? This is TypeScript. Shitty TypeScript. Isn't there a way to do this? Isn't it something like that? Isn't there some way to access promises? Isn't it something like that? Yeah. Iconium would know. He knows. I don't know. I'm not. Do I look like I work for Kinesis? I don't. Has Primogen heard about the fire ship? No, I haven't. What happened? Anxious. Why you stop doing this to me? All right, so now that we have this, let's see.
Give me the meat.
We're gonna want.
Give it to me raw.
Give it to me raw, Sarian Dex. Thank you very much. Am I being gaslit? No. He compared me to David Goggs. Because I care. All right. What am I doing? I don't want to read file. Let's not even do that. Right. We can just use the promise. Right. We want to be able to process file function. Process file. Let's go path to file string come out. I don't know what we're gonna do yet. I'll do, how about a number array for now? That'll be the cyclomatic complexity on each line. It's definitely that. File equals path to file fs promise. Dude, why is it not working? I know why it's actually not working. Actually, I have no idea why it's not working. It's probably because of that, is my guess. It's probably that. Why am I anxious? All right, so where was I? There we go. All right. Dude. Why? Porque? Read a file. I don't even know what I'm doing here. Why am I getting no autocomplete all of a sudden? This is just the worst. Thank you, Zapounds. What? That's what my girlfriend asked. Why don't I take her serially? I know, but it should it should let me know that this is an error, okay? What have I done wrong? I don't know what I've done to my system. You know what I'm gonna do? P kill node. Get all of that sudo p kill node. I don't know why that one is like that. Here, let me turn off my camera really quickly. Here we go. Awesome.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Oh.
Come on. It works every time. It works literally every time. Get lit, child. It works every time. What are you guys so stupid for? All right, here we go. Keyboard off. All right, there we go. All right. Wow, look at that. I have all... Oh, it's because I have TypeScript in there. Oh, man. TypeScript is just really large. TypeScript is much larger than I thought it was going to be. All right, am I going to get... Oh, that's why it's breaking. Oh. That's what's happening. I couldn't figure out. I was like, why is this thing breaking? And now it makes perfect sense. That's why it's breaking. There we go. So I can just go like this. CD2 space. There we go. Vim here. Thank you for all that. Delete you. Come on, right? That was it, right? Right? Do I have other repos? Oh, I do have other repos elsewhere, right? LS, RM, RDF, repos. Get out! There you go. Live viewing party after stream. Oh, yes. Yes. All right, there we go. All right, now that I have that, dude, that took way too long to figure out. I hated every moment of that. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Have you yet seen the YubiKey with no, I haven't. Are we there yet? Is this endgame? Did Thanos snap his fingers and erase all? I'm trying. Thank you, Silver Links. I'm trying as hard as I can. I still hope the 360 will come into stock soon. I think it might. File. There we go. Now I have this thing, and we're gonna go to string. Let's go because right. File await has no express. Really? Why not? Why would await have no I hate. There we go. I hate you. Anyways, now that we have that, we gotta go parsed equals tree file. There we go. So now we now have the file. So now I can walk this file, right? So if I'm not mistaken, we're just gonna have to walk this file one at a time. It's gonna take a moment. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually just gonna hit him with the debugger because I just kind of want to I want to live play with this. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Const for let I equals 0. Oh my goodness. Actually, what we can do here is I hate doing maps, but whatever. It always makes me feel so bad that I've done them. Wait, isn't this a? What do you mean? Oh, it's just a string. Oh, it's just a path to the repo. Oh, const files equals. I forgot I did that. How did I find all TS files path to? I must have erased this. There we go. Now I can go files dot map x process file. Process file. There we go. Promise dot. Oh, let's see. All. So that should be a number array. Boom, we got it. Okay, good. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Tonight I upload my video review on you, bro. Okay, nice. I'm a video review bro. I appreciate that. Wait, what did I call this crap? What did I call this stuff? What did I call this thing? Did I call it test repos? That's the thing I called them. All right, there we go. Dude, I got to get whatever that thing that he just said to launch this really easily. I need that. I need whatever that is. All right, so long as I've done everything correct, I should just go to the debugger. I hate that that doesn't work out. Got him! Dang it, I didn't get it. I went to the first N, and it was in string. But it was close. All right, it was close. It was close. It was real close. It was real close. Can we all agree that was really close? That was really close. What does debugger do there? It will just halt the program there for me. I don't want that there. That doesn't make any sense. So it should go right here. I'm a little confused why. Okay, there we go. Thank you. All right, so we have tree. So tree is this nice, beautiful thing right here that's just gigantic. And so we do have root node, right? Which is a program node. Okay, so that cyclomatic complexity is 0. Oh, no. What is this? /r's. Why is all this right here? Root node. All right, so I should go like this, right? I should be able to go like this. All right. Isn't there some sort of child count to this? All right, there you go. Lexical declaration node, expression statement. Okay, so lexical declaration node. All right, so we need to define what makes this. Dang, missed an extra life bet message. Yeah. Thank you, running through yo girl. Runneth through your girl. I had to use this library once, and production code had a ton of buggers in it. It was very fun to debug, yeah. How old are you, sire? Old enough. I love your password. Good. What is going on? FS in the browser? No, FS in the browser. Stop. By the way, stop crying. Don't cry. Okay. Just say it. If I miss it, you can say it again. You know what I mean? You can say it again. It doesn't hurt me. It doesn't hurt my feelings. Yeah, or whatever. Yeah, too much. You're too much. Oh, wait. You are killing performance. Yes, I am. But I don't care. I called you out on Twitter. I called you out on Twitter for a bet after Zish Bunny ghosted you. I'm good on my word for that. You named the amount. Bet decided by chat whenever I log into stream. Oh, interesting. Well, this year I have... I've never experienced so many financial burdens to the point where I'm taking out a loan against my house is effectively what's going to happen. So yes, I will probably not be able to commit much to charity. I'm going to put $5,000 on charity, maybe a little bit more, but I am broke. I've never been this broke in my lifetime. Just a bunch of crap happened. You don't have to worry about it. Don't worry about it. It's just crap. But you know, I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. TJ has one though. How is it possible working in Netflix, doing a lot of stuff? It just is what it is. It just is. We're gonna try to prove that out right now. All right. I wonder if there's an easier way to do this. I almost feel like you could use TS Playground.
Give me the meat and give it to me.
Broguelike. Thank you, Broguelike. I appreciate that. You're new here. You're new here as of today, if I'm not mistaken. I guess you started following earlier. Never mind. My bad. Roguelike. I just saw you right. What's so bad about 2 Space Tabs? Any Substack or likewise recommendation for career growth in tech? I don't have any. Change your job, man. I like Netflix. I am new here. Anyways. All right.
Give me the meat and give it to me raw.
Hey, thank you, Serbian Dex. Guys, if you're...
Welcome to
you got
Costco.
it. It's worth it. Hey,
I love you.
Hey.
Give me the meat.
If you guys are giving me
raw.
subs because I said I'm the brokest I've ever been, I genuinely appreciate that.
I love you.
But please sub to me because I'm giving you the entertainment and education you want. I appreciate that, genuinely. You don't have to pity sub me, and I do mean that, okay? You can give it to me raw if you'd like to. You can give me the meat and give it to me raw, but don't pity sub me, okay? I don't want a good pity subbing, okay? I want you to ride this stream like you like it, okay? But thank you very much. The Only Vec, I appreciate that. And Neo Zombie, appreciate that. Again, Euphoric, let's go. I only want to give it to you raw. Awesome. You should be paying it back for the hours of education. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that. Don't pity a fool. Okay. Stop it.
Give me the meat.
You cannot do this, okay? You cannot do this. It makes me feel bad because I don't mention money ever on stream for this exact reason. Okay, because I actually don't want it when I mention that. Thank you. Quent made it. Your videos helped me a lot when I was getting started with Rust. Nice, let's go. Hey, you're sort of new. We whispered yesterday. I appreciate you. Thank you very much. And dude, you're brand new. First 10. Over Devio, let's go.
Welcome to Costco.
Hey, you're making a video on me. Thank you. I do what I want.
Welcome to Costco.
Help you out.
I love you.
I appreciate that. Bread and butter. Let's go, baby.
To Costco.
Oh my
I love
goodness.
you.
How do you tell someone, Karen? How do I say no means no? What do I do here, Karen? Fine, Karen. I'll whip it out. Karen, I'll whip it out. Okay? I'm just gonna whip it out. This is a Twitch endorsed sock. Look at that.
That's huge.
Hey! You knock it off! Alright? I'm trying to give you some feet here. Damn it! Thank you. I do. Oh my goodness, Crimson, you did not have to do that. Damn it. Get the. I'm giving it out. Whipping it out here, people. Thank you. Crimson, you don't have to do 50. Oh my goodness, that still scares me. That sub notification
Welcome to Costco.
for 20 or
I
higher
love
that
you.
goes, PAH!
It
It
turns all your
scares the
bad feelings
shit
into
out of me
good
every
feelings.
time. I know.
It's a
Oh my goodness, I hate that. How much, let's see, how much more for 1,000? Let's see. You want today to be the thing? Hey, Serbian, I appreciate it again. You didn't have to do that. Hadrit Lee, thank you again for that. You don't have to do that, Serbian. Dex, Infinity! Infinity, you're in Ukraine. Just stay safe. Just live a safe life. Two days of VS Code. You want me to extend the VS Code longer? I'm here on YouTube looking at all these Twitch teachings. Yeah. Decompression.
Welcome to
Thank you.
Costco.
10 subs
I
for the
love you.
foot. Show the other one to get the other 10. Hell yeah. I'll easily show feet for money. I'll show feet for money. Oh my goodness. Only feet, baby. Let's go. Give me those subs for feet. I like that. All right, how many subs for you to use fleet? I think I just broke a rib doing that. Oh my goodness. Ow. Woo. We just love you. Thank you, feet fans. Let's go. Hot tub stream win. Who says I'm not sitting in a hot tub right now? Thank you. I came here for the 2 space tabs. Is it really that bad? I think it is. Thank you. All right, that's enough. We just hit pinnacle gifts. Thank you. I appreciate this. This guy is in a high position at Netflix, by the way. I am. Thank you. I program for them. Anyways, all right, so let's go back here. Let's try to... I hate that notification. I forgot that I used that notification once before and had to turn it off immediately for this exact reason. Who did that? Stop it. Pi P Day. Pi P a day. Pi P a day. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Did I just see someone with the word foot in there? Thank you. Don't get me wrong. Prime is awesome. Matt Skills just awkward looking at this code. Thank you. Dude, Pi P a day. I think those are your first 25. I think those are your first. Oh yeah, those are your first. I knew it. I appreciate it. You guys are treating me like you did on my birthday stream. Don't do that. Hey, just shut it down. Thank you. What about it? All right. Anyways, so we got to process this file. So we got to walk through this thing. Tree, root node, children for each. Right. So we want to just walk through. Let's try to print these out and just guess. Let's do one file. I'm going to pass in a file specifically. We're going to walk it, and we're going to try to guess its various indentations. How does that sound? Does that sound about right? You inspire me to quit Wrath of the Lich King and code more. That's good. You should. Feedy subs for Kinesis, 350. 350. Been following you for a year and 4 months. If I just had a kid that day, I followed you. The kid would be walking today. Yes. Thank you for that T1
Welcome
3
to
months in
Costco.
advance. Let's
I
go.
love you.
What GUI? Is that? Oh, just that's... You know what it is. It's Chrome.
I never know you are that broke.
Come on, Bill Gates. Don't be doing that. How to use Rust job market exercises. I think it's going to be big. All right, so let's go like this. Let's just try to make a guess for how we could walk this file, right? And let's use this file as an example, right? Can we agree? Use this file as an example. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go test... There we go. We have that as a test file, right? And so instead of doing all this, I'm going to go back down here, and I am going to just have this like that and go files equals const files equals, and I want to go like this. Test.ts, is that what I called it? Yeah, I did. Why aren't I going back? Weird. That was super weird. All right, so now that we've done that, I should be able to go in here, and I should be able to print out this tree. So let's just make some guess. Function. Walk. Let's see. Oh, let's see.
Welcome to Costco.
If you
I
think
love
about
you.
it, this is pretty neat. It is pretty neat. Thank you. Did you see Cloudflare just recently wrote their own replacement for Nginx and Rust? They published it. Yeah, that seems reasonable. I'm here learning Scala, and it's very similar to Rust. Yeah. Yeah. Do you really like C though? C is great. Prime and Rust. My enum should only have one event. Prime and JS. F it. What else are you supposed to do, dog? Walk a node. Node. It's some sort of type node. TS node. We know there's children, right? Which is going to be a TS node array. All right. That's what we know right now.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
So we're seeing more and more of these, right? I'm just gonna have to like kind of guess these things out, right? I mean, I guess I don't necessarily really. Let's go like this. Let's start with string, right? Is there a type on here? There might be a type. Let's find out. Did you consider using a test? You're a test. You should change the 50 sub sound to this. A counter strike? Why isn't it? Why is it freezing? Oh, dude, my internet's so effed right now. All right, I can't look at this. You just gotta wait. My internet's too effed. I don't know what's happening. I think it's because I'm downloading a bunch of big data. Great content delivery makes it 1000x. I signed up for this. I signed up for Twitch just for this channel. Nice. Bounce back from that. Chat, you're a test, and you can't do anything about it. Google's carbon. I don't care about that. I don't know what's wrong with my internet. I don't know what's wrong with my internet.
Fan, jag tänkte på
Få hus alltså. Ändå. Hon är vana.
Yeah, I don't want that. I'm downloading big data. Wow. He's playing Inferno Entertaining Banana. You play CS? No. I don't play CS. I don't think that game's for me. I don't think that game's for me. All right. Let's just start here. And we'll go from there, right? All right, so let's go like this. If, oh, it's not type. How do I find out what type of node it is? All right, let's see. Is name. Is named. Okay, yes. We do need all is named ones. Okay, that's good. This is good. Next sibling, parent, start indexed, type, lexical declaration. Good. Okay, so we're getting places. Type is a string, and is named is a boolean. Okay, this is good. We need these. All right, there we go. I think that's all I need. I think that's all I need. I still don't say it.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Sorry, hold on. I'm going through all the cases. Whoa. Sorry, I'm just trying to go through all the cases I can in my head. If anyone thinks I've missed one, let me know. I don't care about syntax. I just want to make sure I got this all. And method. I'm not sure if constructors are different than methods. All right, did I get them all? Interfaces? Is there interfaces? I'm not really too concerned about type definitions. No subscription lad. No, I'm sorry, bud. Is this what it's like to see in the Matrix? Yes. What? Who's Flavio? Flavio suggests that too. All right, so there we go. So I think that's every one of them, right? Hey, baby. Yeah?
Give me the meat.
Yes.
And give it to me raw.
Yes, you can. Hey. That's fine. Okay.
And then when I get home, I'll pack you.
Well, girl.
So if you want to do like YouTube tonight.
No, I want to hang out with you tonight, babe.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Well, just because there's just a lot of stuff.
We should. Love you. Does our water pressure work in our house again?
I think so. He was still here. I talked to him.
Okay, cool.
But did they fix the leak?
No, they just turned. I think we are literally pumping water back into the well.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Sorry, we have leaking water, and we've had so many people. Hey, thank you. Tier 3. Oh, here we go. You didn't have to do that in different ghosts. Let's go, Musa. Let's go. Serbian Dex, when did this happen? Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Hey. Thank you, you 3. Again. Appreciate it. Face reveal, dream face reveal. Sorry, hold on. We got to answer this. This is in. Let me get back to you. Prime, can you give me some advice? I'm close to having a mental breakdown because I'm doing bad at my job. I can't wrap my head around Laravel backends we use, or otherwise want to pick. Or otherwise pick apart code by myself. Okay, so I'd say that you know your weakness. So this is good, Double. You're doing a great job. So you should definitely go on the Twitters and find someone that knows anything about that stuff. I know nothing about Laravel. I cannot possibly help you. I'll tell you, time in the saddle is the best possible thing. And Aaron, dude, my internet is so stupid. And of course, it gives me a bunch of. Oh, I wish it would give me the people that I follow first. Aaron Francis. It's Aaron Francis. There we go. I just spelled his name wrong. Contact this guy. He knows much more about this whole situation than I would ever know, honestly. And I do mean that. He knows a lot more about the Laravel, what videos to watch, who to do what. Oh, thank you, Rolf. I appreciate that. But seriously, you gotta go. You gotta learn. You know what I mean? You gotta go learn. I know Laravel has great docs and awesome community. Exactly. There's a lot of people out there that can help out. You just gotta push yourself. And every time you're stuck at your job, on your off time, take some time and just try building some little things with Laravel, right? Start understanding it in a simpler, more confined context, because the more simple and confined your context is, the easier it is for you to translate that into a more complex project. So if you don't start simple and just try to learn from the tippity top, it's gonna be hard. Bring it down, take a moment, it's okay, you're gonna make it. Even if you get fired, you're gonna make it. It's okay, right? You just start taking it apart, building your own things off time, really learn it, because if you don't do that, you're just going to be constantly trying to figure out this huge project. You don't even have anything to draw on, right? You don't even have any way for you to actually you know, be able to just like have a foundation to pull on. You know what I mean? I don't like that. You know what? When we're out here trying to give some boy advice and you come in with that nonsense, you know what we do? We get you out, okay? We want people here that are a little bit more positive, okay? We want people here that are more awesome than that, okay? We don't actually want that, okay? We don't want you, okay? That guy came out here, poured his little heart out for everybody to hear, and in front of however many people are on YouTube and 1,000 people on Twitch, you make a dumbass comment. Easy ban, get the hell out of the startup. Okay? Get out. Laura Cass, let's see, got me good at Laravel. Yeah. Not in my startup. Not in my startup. Hard to ask for help, yeah. We don't even need to visit Karen. Karen, I don't even need to visit you. We made the right decision here and now. Thank you. Yeah, dude, thanks for sharing the struggle. Real talk. Appreciate that. I'm in a good mood and not going to ask what theme you're using today. Thank you. Does the startup use Laravel too? Well, there is a customer service portal that does, or may not. I got an ad at the band moment. Sucks to suck, baby. All right, so let's just do this, and let's go like this.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
You know what I mean? Walk node, and we're just gonna go tree, right? I think that probably should work. I believe we have everything hard-coded. So let's just see what we got here. Okay, we didn't even get even close here. Property for each 85. Okay, so it's saying here, if node children, are you telling me that there could be no children? Interesting. Oh, it's called root node. That's why. Root node. There you go. All right, so this is good. All right, so this is good. This is kind of what we wanted to see, right? This is kind of what we wanted to see. Node dot is named, right? So this should drop all those. See, it only it only has the named ones that are actually of any sort of importance. You know what I mean? So now I should go like this. Node is named. Let's go. Go in here. How much did you make on your best month from AdSense? $1,800. I share half my earnings with my editor. He's really the reason why we've been able to do so good. And so I'd just like to say that I really appreciate what he has done. You know what I mean? Genuinely appreciate that. All right, so now that we have that, let's go through all this and formal parameters. So there's only certain things that are actually useful. You know what I mean? Sort, unique, count. There's only so many things that are actually useful, right? Let's see. There's arguments. There's array, there's arrow function, that's good. Arrow function, I like that. There's a break statement, there's a call expression. I'm curious what, I think that's for the consoles. Expression statement. I think there's a, let's see, a class body. Class body would probably, I would assume a class body is probably a place for an indentation. Can we all agree to that? That would be a place for an indentation. How can TypeScript didn't catch that root node error? Because it doesn't have TypeScript. Respects for Brian for helping out young devs like myself on the journey. Hey, no problem. So this feels like one. Do statement feels like one. Function declaration, anything within there is probably one. Can we say that? But I feel like there's something else. There's like a statement block is my guess, is the one we're actually looking for. If I'm not mistaken, a statement block, if node type equals statement block, then go node.toString. Let's do that. Console.log node.toString, okay? So let's do that. Let's erase these ones. Let's do that again. And now, if I'm not mistaken, we should see things right here, right? Statement block, expression statement, call statement, function member. Here, let's pull it out the other way. Instead of toString, I think there was like a code. Is it input? Is it input? Okay, undefined. Let's just go like this. Let's just print the whole thing out. Statement block. All right, so I guess we could get the text out. You know what I mean? Primer Stoko, I'm not. I'm just a dude. I'm just a dude.
Give me the meat.
Trillion.
and
How
give
would
it
you
to me
approach a
raw.
new job with
Peter
completely new
Guyed
hire team?
became a member.
Hey, Pete. Guyed. Look at that dictation. He gate it. He got it right first. It's is it Peter Gate or is it actually by the way, my cousin's nickname in CS, whatever it was, that was his nickname, and he was like a pro back in the non-cool days to be a pro, right? Was the person who needed help with Laravel YouTube chat? Can't find them in Twitch. They're YouTube chat. They're YouTube chat. I mean, yeah, they're. What am I making? I'm analyzing stuff. You know what I mean? We're analyzing. We're analyzing. So the real question is that what I don't want to do is I don't want to get all... I guess I'll count everything all the same. So this is what I'm going to do. Statement block, as of right now, is the thing. I wish there was a way to kind of get... All right, this is what we're going to do. So process file also has path to file. Wait, process file.
Give me the meat.
It has
and give
this
it to me
file.
raw.
There we go. We have this.
S is used for 90% of our web services for our latest project. I hear others, from other companies, question my decision to use Go in production web application, instead of Java since it's proven. What's your opinion?
I think you have stupid coworkers. Go is very much so. Ask them when they're launching their service via Docker. Remind them what Docker's written in. Or if they have Kubernetes,
Welcome
remind
to
them.
Costco. I love you.
Go is, I would put it on the extremely proven. A Fortune 500 company that I know of, the one that does everybody's taxes, a Webdesk, Wdesk, Workiva, I used to work there. Their whole code base is in Go, right? Only real chads like myself use the tab character. Spaces are filthy VS Code users. Golang is extremely proven, okay? It's just, that's an argument you can't make. That's all I'm saying. If you're making that argument, you're going to lose it, right? If you have to argue with somebody, right? I had somebody argue why recently on the internet, and they said Vim is just so useless, you should always use VS Code. And I said, have you used Vim? They said, I used Emacs for a couple years. I just ended the conversation there. What am I going to do? Argue with that? Do you really want to argue with somebody with whom has not used something and then is going to tell you why it's not good? No, it's just stupid. You know what? People can have opinions. Like, I don't like Vim. I would rather not have to set up my editor, all that kind of stuff. I get that. I would never argue the person that's just like, I just want to program. I would, I would say, hey, at some point, take the time. Go explore it. It's good for your soul. But if you don't, that's fine. Don't do it. Okay? I just will always be that person that does it. Ain't Docker CLI written in Go? The Docker CLI is written in Go. Yes. Are you doing a Golang course? No. Don't argue with stupid. It just never works. You know what I mean? All right. This is actually really, really good. I like what's happening here. Oh, I did call it file lines. Nice. Nice. All right. So let's go here. And it has this. It has end position and start position. Let's go.
Give me the meat and give it to me raw.
Give it to me raw, baby. Thank you, Aussie boy, for those 5 subs, baby. I love it, and thank you. Thank you. Finite singularity. Oh, my goodness. You cannot be rating me at this point. This is not even appropriate. Por qué, Maria, would you do that for? I don't even understand it. Why would you do that? Por qué, Maria? Thank you. Was it call? Yeah, column. Oh my goodness. I don't know why column. My brain is not working. Hey, finite singularity, how you doing? Tell me about yourself. How you doing? You doing good? Thank you for the raid. I appreciate that. I do. Thanks for your opinion. Good to know. In Node ecosystem, better and easier than I have no idea. Someone email me the fleet clips. You bet your sweet butt. What do you think about VSC Vim? It's okay. There's a lot of inconsistencies with it and Vim. I don't really care. You know what I mean? File lines. Start row. Crap. I want to print this out. Here, I'm just going to go like this. Start row. S column. Here, crap. All right, whatever. Here's what I'm gonna do. Function, print, file, lines, string. Oh my goodness. I just gotta get this. I gotta get this. String, type, pos info equals, do one of these. DA that. Oh gosh, wrong one. Forgot that little bad boy up here. Pos info, there we go. Pos info, there we go. All right, this is looking good. So we should go like this. Start pos info, end pos info. Let's go like that. I don't think I need this. Here, let's go like that. Let's just dap that. Print. I was trying to get through this. File, lines, start, and let's go. Node, start. All right, there's a reason why we're doing all this. For let I equals start row. I has to be less than end dot row. I believe it's inclusive. My guess is it's inclusive, right? Can you do a piece on where you choose to use vice versa? Probably not. Dang, how do you type so fast? Practice. Years and years of practice. If start row does not equal end dot row, well, then we simply go, how do we want to do this? I'm going to go like this. I'm going to go console.log. Ah, crap. I see, dude, printing these things are so hard. I should just literally just grab out the lines. All right, for now, let's just go like this. Console.log, string, let's see, file, lines, start, let's see, there you go. Just start here for now. Dude, printing out squares like that has always been so dang hard. All right, so good. Okay, so that was my thought, was a statement block. Yes, okay, so I was right. Statement block is pretty much the value I'm looking for. Yes, statement block is the value I'm looking for. Okay, so that's the one. That's the one that increases the indentation. You know what I mean? Let's go. Let's go. Do you Vim at Netflix? You calling Prime stupid? Yeah. Call me stupid. Stupid man, baby boy. So we're going to go like this. Indents. Number. I'm not the smartest individual. Oh, this is good. All right, so this is what we're going to do.
Give me the meat and give it to me raw.
Thank you. Why am I doing that? I'll just program it in there. I'll just program it in there. All right, so there we go. So what we're going to do here is actually pretty stupid, right? Indents. This is what we're going to do. Yeah, so indent is the current indentation, right? So we're going to erase this thing. If it is this, what we're going to do is we're going to go indent plus equals 1, right? If indent equals undefined, equals 0, indent plus plus, right? So a node at this level. So we're going to just count the nodes at each one of these levels. That's all we're going to do. We're going to just keep on walking. Keep on walking. There we go. And now that we have that const indents equals that go f
It turns
that.
all your bad feelings
Hey, thank
into
you.
good feelings.
Sorry, console
It's a
dot log indents. Thank you for that. I appreciate that. So I just wanted to see this thing work. Here we go. Look at that. That seems too large. You know what I mean? That seems too large. Seems too large. We should not have indents of that level. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. If there are children and type equals statement block, we add one to indent. If there's no indents, we do that. And for each one of these, we go to each one of its children. There's only 13 statement blocks. Console.log statement block. Ooh, you know what I'm not doing here? I'm not doing that. You know what I mean? I'm not sure how I just did that. I missed my lettering. All right, there you go. So I need to do that on each side, correct? Yeah. All right. That should at least reduce some numbers here. It didn't reduce any numbers because something has gone horribly wrong. I wonder how this has gone wrong. Hold on. Sorry, I know I'm not reading chat. Console.log. Making it bigger, babe. It's getting smaller. All right. It should print out each one of those. Okay, so I'm very confused as to what's going wrong here. All right, so it starts off at 2. I'm not really sure. It's getting smaller. 3. Oh my goodness, I'm so stupid. All right, there we go. All right, starts off at 3. We go back down to 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 9er. Oh my goodness, I forgot about that. No, why would I have that in there? There we go. There you go. So that's how many nodes exist at each level. There's 108 nodes at the 0th position. There's 129 nodes at the first position. There's 77 nodes at the second position. That makes sense. If we look at the code, I really don't ever exceed. I mean, I guess this one we should have. This should really be 1, 2, 3, right? That should be 3. We should have some at 3. Well, I guess, okay, 1, 2, 3 would be 0, 1, 2. Okay, yeah. Hey, Peter, thank you for that. Thank you. It jumps from 3 to 9, 1. Yeah, I figured out why. Okay, so there we go. That's it. So 0, 1, 2, right? Yeah. I guess in my head, that wouldn't be 0, 1, 2, right? That would be, this would be 0. This is defined at 0. This would be at a 1. This would now be at 2. This would be at 3. See, why isn't it at 3? ¿Por qué, Maria? ¿Por qué, Maria? All right, so let's do what we did before. Let's also go like this. Print node. Let's see. File lines. Node.start position. Node.end position. Boom. I don't need that. Let's just go like that so we can just see each one as we do each one. Wait, let's move it below it. Move it below it so it's obvious. Sorry, we're doing this right here. All right, so let's go back up to here. Boom. 1. Yes, that makes sense. Making it smaller. Back for that one. Awesome. What about... Oh my goodness, there is no statement block. There's no statement block on a class declaration. There's no statement block on a class declaration. That's all it means. All right. It's that simple. There's no statement block on... Class body. So body should probably be one as well. All right, let's do body as well. Const, indents, indenters. So I'm trying to get this done because I'd like to make a YouTube video on this as well. Because either way, I already know my answer, which is even if this makes nothing, it doesn't change how I feel. Wait, really? Class declaration. Let's go with class declaration. There we go. Okay, better. This is a fantastic project. I would love to see the results. Exactly. I think it's pretty good. Hey, I can't get enough of those feet. Thank you. Gamozo, I like your body. Hey, Gamozo. Gamozo, do you like my man's not hot? I'm not wrong, Brian. Hey, Gamozo, do you like my thesis that 2 space indents cause more indentation in code? That's my thesis. That is my thesis. That's my hypothesis. Not thesis. That's wrong term. Yeah. I don't know if I can support that directly, but I can support 2 space indents are cringe as fuck. Yeah, they are. So, Gamozo, my plan is to use the most popular projects, i.e. TypeScript project, and then I can use, I could even use TypeScript and Angular as 2 comparisons, though that's our TypeScript, and Microsoft makes a bunch of them, VS Code, TypeScript and VS Code. One is 4 space, one is 2 space, at least by the same company. We also got Angular, we got Lodash, we got a bunch. Babylon JS is 4 space. So we'd actually get a bunch of them and then see which one does it, right? Pablo, when editing lines of code, why indent manually when you can use a formatter? I hate using a formatter for the most part. Why not just use tabs? You're C#, I feel like you may have just missed the entire argument there. I'm talking about the spacing of said tabs. I believe 2 spaces is bad for your soul. I think 4 spaces make you indent less, which makes you refactor more frequently, which keeps your code at a smaller, easier to understand amount. Right? That's my hypothesis. Pretty good. Hey. I felt your mustache in my cheek. You should. So anyways, I moved to tabs. I'll never go to spaces again. Well, I mean, you have some sort of visual representation of those as either 2 or 4 or 8 or some power 2, likely, right? So 3 spaces, exactly. So exactly, 2 space enjoyers. GitHub uses 8 spaces by default, yeah. Why not like tab symbol instead of spaces? Again, that's not what normal people have in their editor, okay? No one has a /t. Gotcha. Not space first. It's not a space first tab issue because I don't care about space first tab. It is a size of your spacing. Let's all. Fibonacci actually could be really good. I kid you not. I know you're saying that IO control as just like a joke, but I am on your team. By the way, Griffin, I gave you a shout out earlier. I don't know where you went. Tabs and let the person go. No, but see, I don't want that because I think it's actually worth soaking. Let's get some soaking on, Melky. I'm so ready, right? Real talk. I actually think that I actually think 2 spaces are bad. And so I'm doing a little checking, right? I'm just doing some checking, okay? Doing some checking. That's, honestly, Fibonacci indents aren't bad because then by your 4th indent, it's like big, right? And you're just like, oh, crap, this sucks, right? I think you'd have to start at like 3 or 2. I know. I'm thinking like 2, 3, 5, 8, right? And it's just like, ooh, you'd never want to get there. Right? You'd want to start right there. Crazy project. I love it. Yeah, I'm not saying I'm correct. I'm just saying it is a hypothesis. And I would like to go and prove it that there is more indenting per usual, right? I think you'll see more nodes existing within larger indents with 2 spaces. I feel like that would game the system as long as you don't use half indents. Yeah. Well, I'm using nodes, so I'm using tree sitter. It appears I am blocked. No, you are definitely not blocked. Fibonacci, I doubt, but I'm curious. Exactly, doubt, but curious. Yeah. 1 tab, 1 space, each indentation. I'm counting indentation levels. All right, people, we got to where we want. We can now start doing the calculation. I can actually start finding out, am I right or am I wrong? I can start finding out now. We got repo cloning, and we got file parsing, and we got file finding. So now all we have to do is put them all together. You know what I mean? That's all we have to do. Did they finally fix billboards? Are those people I'm interested in, or is he just having front page? I think he just has front page. Front page is worthless. We actually asked somebody at Twitch. TJ just rated me. The head of analytics. We're just like, hey, does raids work? Or not raids. Does it matter if, how do you measure cyclomatic complexity? Just indentation, right? Logical indentation. How about wrapping lines? I'm not considering those. I'm not considering code style. I'm not looking at code style. I'm only looking at indentable nodes, meaning that I have no idea what I'm actually looking at. Right? Question, how, let's see, Armenia, let's see, whenever I see you streaming, it's midday. Do you, no, I just go and work now. 4 spaces won't fix bad code. Yes. It won't make it, it won't fix it. Your fire, yeah, I know, I'm in the Fireship video. That's pretty awesome. C# eliminated an indent level with a new file namespace. Oh, interesting, good. I like that, indent me daddy. Is TypeScript ruining Trash Dev's life? Yes, it is. Friends, thanks for your videos and content. You have helped me find enjoyment again for coding, as well as helped me relook at how I approach my career. I try to change over from teaching. Most importantly, making me believe that I can do this career. Do it! You got it! I am positive you have it. Does your head ever get warm from wearing a hoodie? No, it actually feels nice right now. People can just hide complexity. Exactly. I do agree with that. It doesn't mean it's bad. I just say I think it tends to lead to more indentation. I'm not saying breaking up code can actually make it worse. I'm not saying either direction. Oh, crap. I'm out of time. I can't read your thing. I'm sorry, Parody. I'm sorry.